Welcome to Atarashi Hinode by T3 Solutions. Today we are going to learn about the properties of rational numbers. If we add the terminating and non-terminating repeating decimals to the collection of integers, we obtain rational numbers. That is, a number which can be written in the form p by q, where p and q are integers and q not equal to 0, is called a rational number. Minus 1 by 2, 5 by 7, 0, minus 3 and 9 are some examples. Now let us go to the properties. First is closure property. When we add two rational numbers, the sum is again a rational number. Here, the difference of two rational numbers, it is also a rational number, and the product of two rational numbers is also a rational number. So we can say rational numbers are closed under addition, subtraction and multiplication. In the case of division, here you can see when a rational number is divided by another rational number, the quotient got is again a rational number. But here 4 and 0 both are rational numbers. We know 4 divided by 0 is not defined. That is, division of any rational number by 0 is not defined. So, rational numbers are not closed under division. If we exclude 0, then the collection of all other rational numbers is closed under division. Next is commutative property. When we add two rational numbers, that is minus 4 by 3 and 5 by 7, we get minus 13 divided by 21. Even after changing the order of the numbers, we get the same sum. That is, two rational numbers can be added in any order. Same is the case for multiplication also. Two rational numbers can be multiplied in any order. So we can say addition and multiplication are commutative for rational numbers. But in the case of subtraction and division, if we change the order of the numbers, we get different answers. That is, when 5 by 7 is subtracted from minus 4 by 3, it is minus 43 by 21. If we subtract minus 4 by 3 from 5 by 7, we get 43 by 21. In division also, when we divide minus 4 by 3 by 5 by 7, we get minus 28 by 15. And when 5 by 7 is divided by minus 4 by 3, it is minus 15 by 28. That is, subtraction and division are not commutative for rational numbers. Now let us go to the next property, associative property. Here 1 by 2 and 3 by 4 are grouped and we get the sum as 5 by 4. And sum of these two numbers, it is 3 by 2. Here we have grouped 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. The sum we get is 3 by 4. Again adding 3 by 4 to it, we get 3 by 2. That is, both the answers are same. In subtraction, first we do 1 by 2 minus 3 by 4. It is minus 1 by 4. Again subtracting this from 1 by 4, we get 1 by 2. When we change the grouping, here it is minus 1 by 4, and again subtracting 3 by 4, we get minus 1. Here we get different answers. Here the product of 1 by 2 and 3 by 4, it is 3 by 8, and 1 by 4 times 3 by 8, it is 3 divided by 32. Here also we get the same product even if the grouping is changed. And in division, 1 by 2 divided by 3 by 4, it is 2 by 3, and 1 by 4 divided by 2 by 3, it is 3 by 8. And after changing the grouping for this division, we get 1 by 2, and when it is divided by 3 by 4, here we get 2 by 3. Here the answers are different. So in the case of addition and multiplication of rational numbers, even if the grouping is changed, it does not change the results. But in the case of subtraction and division, when grouping is changed, we get different answers. So addition and multiplication are associative for rational numbers, while subtraction and division are not associative. That is all for today. The remaining properties we will learn in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.